Magluto tayo guys. Gamit natin is taba ng baboy. Pork fat with the ampalaya, scrambled egg, mixed egg, garlic, and that one. Lutuin natin. Umalis na si Habi papuntang trabaho. Ang estudyante namin tulog pa. So, ito ang breakfast nila. It's garlic with a little chunk of pork fat because I'm using the oil. I put already a little salt of the first. This is the vanilla. Yeah, and I put a little of this one, black pepper. Let it cook for a while, maybe a few minutes, then add the eggs and the seasoning. Ito na yan siya guys. So spread the log, the egg next to it. Add the seasoning and mix well again. I guess it's ready to serve. That's all guys. Bye bye.